Before deciding to make my own, I checked Energy Suspension's website. They make a lot of universal uh, boots for tie rod and ball joints, and unfortunately, the largest one that they make just wasn't big enough. It was almost, but I also just did not like this design. They made them out of TPU, and I think that was a great decision. So I just went ahead and modeled my own and made it out of TPU as well. Some of my special little features I threw in here were one, it has an inner lip right here to help lock it around the end of the joint. And then I put slits in it to make it easy to open it up to stretch it around the existing joint so you do not have to separate it. Then I also made the lower wall where the first stainless clamp goes around it thicker so that it will not come apart under the stress. And I also did the same thing up top where the top one will lock it in place. To make it easier to install, I also added a little loop in the back side here, and that will hold the lower zip tie in place once you put it around and just have to bring the ends together. The first one that I installed did not have this, and although it wasn't hard, I just knew this little extra piece would make it way, way, way easier for the next version. I also made a smaller rim here to keep the pressure tight on the rod. And when this is all clamped together, these openings really clamp together perfectly, and they hold the grease in there. Once it's installed, as you'll see, the only real grease that slips through is on the top surface and then around the bottom, just like the original one would have had.